Calibration solution, combination electrode, temperature probe, electrode connector, thermometer probe port, multi-hole probe holder. The holder has a cable restraint. Plug in the charger. Press the power button. Remove the probe protective cover. Standard calibration solution. Tap the calibration button. Immerse the probe in the solution. Perform a 1-point calibration. Perform the second point calibration. Perform the third point calibration. 3-point calibration finished. 3-point calibration completed. 3-point calibration finished. Measure the sample. Easy to read large display. Switch the detection mode. Operation settings. Save.